am Aditi and we are watching Prima English. Today's topic is something all learners feel: fear of speaking English. We feel nervous. What if I make a mistake? What if others laugh? But remember, everyone makes mistakes while learning. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Here are a few tricks to remove fear. Start speaking with friends or family who encourage you. Practice in front of a mirror. Look at yourself and speak. This builds confidence. Record your voice to English. Listen to it, improve it, and try it again. Remember, English is just a language, not a test. The more you practice, the more natural it feels. One more tip. Focus on what you want to say, not on how perfect your grammar is. People care more about your message than small mistakes. So from today, promise yourself, I'll not be afraid to speak English. I'll keep trying. That's all for today. I'm Aditi and we will meet in the next video. And if you like our efforts, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.